Sup guys, Juggalo here. Today I'm going to show you how to update your BIOS for your RAMPAGE IV Extreme motherboard, which is X79 socket 2011. There's a couple different ways how to do it, but I am just going to show you one way. You can actually update your BIOS if you don't have any memory or CPU at all using the BIOS flashback button, I believe. But I am going to transfer the file onto my USB, and then from my USB go into my BIOS, locate the file, and upload it that way manually. This is just how I do it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the ASUS Rampage website, or I should say ASUS website, go to your motherboards, and then go ahead and find your motherboard. Once you do that, you're going to say, oh look, there's an update. It's going to be BIOS 3602. It updated March 22nd, 2013. Now what you can do, all you have to do is, I know this is going to be kind of wishy-washy, but hopefully I am showing you it, but you're going to click the global right here, and you're going to save file. Now I already did this already, but you have the save file here. What I like to do is, for example, I'll go over here and then drag and drop, but I'm not going to do that because I already did it. And then from there, you're going to right click and then extract all. And once you do that, it's going to give you this folder right here. And it has the BIOS in it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And since I have a USB stick plugged in my computer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over right here. This is my USB stick storage, so I'm just going to take this and then drop it in. Wait for that to load up. Okay, it's done. Alright, next up I'm going to go ahead and put the USB stick into my RAMPAGE IV Extreme. Go ahead and take this out. I'm going to put into one of the slots. Doesn't really matter which one. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Do that. Now, once I do that, I'm going to go to my BIOS right here, and I'm going to go all the way to the far right where it says Tool, and I'm going to select the Go To Button File area. So let me go ahead and make sure this is showing on here. So it is. So right here, let me go ahead and raise the camera up. Go to Button File, and then from there, I'm going to go scroll all the way down, and I'm going to say Load Default. Hit Yes. Okay, now the defaults are loaded. Now this is up to you, but you can do this, but I'm just going to hit F10, hit Yes, Enter, and then restart the computer so I know all the defaults are loaded and implemented onto the motherboard. You don't have to do this. This is just me on how I am. Okay, once I am done doing that, I'm going to go all the way to the right again, to Tool. Alright, then from there, you'll see it right here where I plugged in my BIOS for the update. So we're going to go ahead and click this, and then click that. Do you want to read this file? And you're going to hit OK. Hit OK. Do you really want to update the BIOS? Of course you do. Now it's going to go ahead at the very, very bottom. If you guys can see this, there is a processing bar that will take some time to do. So I'll go ahead and stop the video here. I don't really think you guys want to see the bar go all the way across, but I'll do it just so you can see what happens and everything for first time users, I guess. So it's going to take a while, so I'll go ahead and be quiet. Now, I forgot to mention, I'm sorry, yes, I am talking, but if you have a certain BIOS version that is old, you might have to do a BIOS converter. All it does is change the name of the file. I think that's really it, so all you have to do is do the name of the file, change it to cap, and you'll be fine. But I didn't have to worry about it. It says right here, update successfully. System will reset, will be reset. Hit OK. Go ahead and let it load. I'm going to hit delete a whole bunch of times. Delete's how you get into your BIOS. So, oh wait, you don't hit delete. Actually, it from here it automatically goes and updates it this way. Excuse me. So you don't hit delete or anything, and you'll see a little flash on the screen saying it's going to be updating the BIOS and everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and let it do its thing. Now, again, this is how it's going to do it. I have to hit ignore for obvious reasons, but it did update and everything. Last time, it actually went to the area where it started updating and everything. So we're going to go here and then main. So now if you look, you have 3602. So that's the most up-to-date BIOS. And I'm going to show you how to get rid of that annoying fan error. So what you're going to have to do is go to CPU monitor over here on the right-hand side, the third one on the left from the right. You're going to hit monitor. Oh, excuse me. You're going to go over here, fan speed monitor or fan speed control, one of the two. Let me see. All right. Right here, we're going to go to CPU profile, and we're going to go over here, and we're going to hit ignore. So once you hit ignore, it won't keep popping up that annoying thing saying, hey, your fan's not connected to a CPU fan header, blah, 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 blah. So you don't have to worry about any of that crap. So I have a fan chassis profile and all that stuff because I have my fans hooked up that way. So again, we're going to go back. We're going to hit F10. We're going to hit yes. Now I still have to reload my memory timings, but I'm not going to show you that. So it's going to go ahead and reboot. And once it reboots, it should go into Windows 7 shortly. Alright, we have Windows starting. And then from there it should load up pretty quick. Hopefully. Alright, there we go. Windows is loaded. We're good to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video helped you out in some way. And as always, comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button. You guys have a great day now. Bye.